Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will go through the step-by-step process of replacing the ring on your Dyson SV51 vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your vacuum. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the handle and base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container so you don't lose any parts during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the sections of the vacuum cleaner. It may require some force, but be cautious not to damage any internal components. As you disassemble, take a moment to inspect the internal parts for any dust or debris. A clean vacuum works more efficiently, so if you notice any buildup, use a soft cloth or a brush to clean it out. After you separate the components, focus on the ring that needs replacing. This is typically found near the motor housing. Carefully examine how the current ring is attached. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it loose gently. If the ring is stubborn, take your time to avoid breaking any clips or fasteners. Now, it's time to install the new ring. Ensure that it fits snugly into place. If you're unsure about the installation, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can always rely on our expertise to help you. Once the new ring is securely in place, reassemble the vacuum by aligning the components back together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Before plugging the vacuum back in, take a moment to check everything is in order. Ensure there are no leftover screws or parts. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls and no travel for you, making maintenance easy. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV51 vacuum cleaner and turn it on to test the new ring. Listen for any unusual sounds and check the suction power to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We also provide a quote before repair so you can make informed decisions about your vacuum maintenance. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the ring on your Dyson SV51 vacuum cleaner and keep it running smoothly. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.